how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So the first thing, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So open your browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search and type the United States, because that's what we're going to, this is the market we're going to focus on in today's explanation. United States, and click on search, then zoom in on the states and choose a state or a city that you're going to focus on. So here, let's zoom in on a state or a city. Here, for example, let's choose Wisconsin or Michigan, for example. So here, let's choose Michigan and let's zoom in on that, and let's choose a city in here. Let's choose Fairmont, for example. Let's zoom in on this city. Then let's go to the search again to search for a small business in this area. But before that, I'm going to talk about the main three services that we are going to offer them. So the first service is the website creation or renovation, and the second service is removing the bad reviews from their Google Maps profile, and the third service is the social media accounts managing for them, so we can offer to manage the social media accounts. And those are the three services we are going to offer those small businesses. So let's type in here a kind of a small business, for example hair salons or plumbers or auto repair. Let's go with auto repair garages, auto repair, and click on search to see all of the auto repair garages that are available in this area here. So these are the results. So we have Dave's Auto Clinic, Dan's Auto Services. So here, in order to find or in order to target the profiles or the businesses with the highest rate of working with us or hiring us for our services, make sure to check the profile first and pay attention to the top of the profile. If there is any sponsored written in the top of the profile, make sure to avoid those, and also make sure to avoid those with more than 150 reviews. So we are going to avoid this one, and let's move on to the next profile, which is Dan's Auto Services. And here, let's check his profile to see if we can offer the three services that I've talked about before. So here, the first service we can offer it, they don't have a website in here, so that means I can offer to create a website for them. So let's move on to the next service, which is removing bad reviews for them. So here you can see that from the review summary that they don't have any bad reviews, only the good ones, the 5-star reviews, and a little bit of the 4-star reviews. That means we cannot offer them the other service, which is removing the bad reviews for them. So you can just offer to create a website for them, and in order to do that, you would need to search for their Instagram or their Facebook to reach out to them, or you can just call them directly. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill in order to deliver the services to them. You can just call them and talk about the benefits of having a website and how it can save them a lot of time, and also how it can make them a lot of money by people booking appointments or by people getting consultations for a an amount of money. And in order to create the website for them, for example, if they pay us $200 or $150 for the website, you can just go to fiverr.com, which is a freelancing platform where you can hire freelancers to do these such kind of services, or to deliver these kind of services to you. For example, you can hire this freelancer for $80 in order to create a WordPress website for you, and then you can deliver that website to this business without even learning the skill or without even creating the website yourself, and you will be left with the rest of the $150 after you pay the freelancer his $80. And when it comes to the bad reviews, here we can check another one. For example, this one, he has 4 star in his review summary, so they would have some bad reviews in here. So let's scroll down. They have a lot of bad reviews. Let's scroll down and click on more reviews to see an example of the 1 star reviews I was talking about. Here, let's scroll down, and here we have a 1 star review. Would not recommend. They have the worst customer service and they do not care about their customers or employees. Do not bring your vehicle here. So this is a very bad review to have on your profile in Google Maps. It gives bad reputation to your business, and it's also gonna take clients away, or future clients away from you. If someone searches your business and comes to your profile and reads this kind of reviews, they would not come even near to your garage. So we can say that to the clients, talk about how this bad review would affect the business negatively, and how it can take away clients for them, and how we can remove this bad review for only $100 max. We can just say we can remove these bad reviews for $100, and make sure to talk about more than one. So here we have another bad review from a local guide. April Joy: worst service ever on my dad's vehicle. They didn't fix the problem, got vehicle back in worse condition than how it was left. It was definitely mishandled. Things were broke inside that weren't broke before. They said 3 days. They had it for over triple that. Never use miles. Urge you not to. It is a waste of your money. So this is another bad review. So if you take a screenshot of these 2 reviews and you send them to this business and talk about how you can remove them for $100, they would agree to that immediately, and you can get paid $100, then pay the freelancer $25 to remove the bad reviews for them, and you can take the rest with you. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.